Removing the bumper and headlights, if you wish, on the second generation Volvo V40. To remove the headlight, you've got this to twist anti-clockwise and pull out, and then at the back of the lamp you've got a T30 torque screw. On the top edge of the bumper we've got a T25 torque screw on each side, and then we've got 7 trim clips. Now remove 5 T25 torque screws from each wheel arch. I've left them sticking out so you can see them easier. Do the same on the other wheel arch, and then underneath the bottom lip of the bumper you've got 8 more T25 torque screws that I've left sticking out so you can see them easier. Now I've removed all the fixings, starting on the driver's side, as that's where the wiring harness is. Pull this part of the bumper away. Disconnect the wiring harness. Now we've got both the sides of the bumper released. You need to pull the bottom away from the plastic. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. For more videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel and subscribe.